After a long time of being off of YouTube, I decided to come back with a surprise video. I am hatching quail for myself as pets. I ordered from 2 different breeders. This is the first group of quail that came. I ordered 30, 35 came, and 9 out of 35 made it. I want to say it was the incubator's fault. Honestly, the humidity and heat, the temperature were not steady at all. I had to basically be chasing and fighting it the whole way through. As you can see here, when it was time to candle them, a lot of them did not fully form. So I had to take a bunch out. There's like half of them in there. No, you're okay. I had one hatch on day 17 and the rest hatched on day 18. And here they are getting fluffy, coming out of their egg. They're so cute. I was going crazy trying to find a great brooder box, but honestly, these clear totes from Walmart are a good start. Once they start to get bigger, I just got a different tote at Home Depot. It's a little bit bigger. I just wanted it clear at first, that way they can see me and be used to seeing me every day, and when I pick them up and hold them, they're used to it. I got my heat plate off of Amazon and this cheek feeder and water off of Amazon as well. He was chirping here. Don't be alarmed. See you in the next one.